There are some mistakes in life that cost us dearly. Just because you ignored them and you assumed that they are negligible, but they have bad repercussions. One day, Billy Graham said that when money is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, something is lost. But when character is lost, all is lost. And just look at the whole massive hard work has been brought to the rubble just because of single and a small mistake. And I remember the Bible says in Songs of Solomon, chapter 2, verse number 15, catch up the little foxes because they are the one that destroys the vine. Please, when it comes to the issues of character, this is indispensable way. So we need to uphold character and integrity in our lives. So you should make a prayer and ask God to help you to amend your ways all right. God bless you.